Today I'm going to show how to install the ink tank system on your Evolution printer. I've got an Evolution cartridge that is fitted with a male connector. I've got two small ink tanks with a female connector. I've got a right side bracket and a left side bracket, so you can mount it on either side. To mount, simply slide it in place like so into position. This will hold the ink tanks. We'll go ahead and install the cartridge first. Just as you normally would. Once installed, I'd recommend go ahead and doing a test print. Make sure that it prints to your satisfaction, then install the ink tank. This is a full one. This one shows empty if you look at the green indicators. We'll put the connection towards me, drop it into the ink tank holder, connect these by pressing and doing a twist, and these will lock and the ink will be gravity fed to the cartridge. Again, you can go ahead and do an additional print test, making sure that it's printing correctly. If you do need to clean the nozzles, we do have some blue cleaning swabs. Just go up and down on the nozzles. These are pre-moistened with a cleaning solution, and then you should be ready to start printing again. If you do need to remove the cartridge, always disconnect it first before moving the cartridge. Once the ink tank is empty, remove and just install your second one as you normally would. Connect it, do another print test. Make sure that it's printing correctly.